Ready to crack the code on Thailand's latest banking shakeup? Stay with us, because the changes coming to Bangkok Bank are sending serious ripples through the expat and travel community. And if you're a foreigner in Thailand, you need to know how these new rules could hit your wallet. Keep watching to the end, because we're breaking down every detail you need to stay one step ahead. Welcome to Bangkok Buzz, the channel that keeps you plugged into the energy changes and rhythm of city life. If you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button, fire up the like, and drop your thoughts in the comments below. We want to hear how this is impacting you. Alright, let's dive into the heart of the matter. Bangkok Bank has just rolled out a set of stricter requirements for anyone looking to open a deposit account. And this isn't just about saving or checking accounts, it's stretching out to credit cards and mobile banking too. These aren't random hoops to jump through. Thailand is responding fast and firm to a series of high-profile financial crimes that have made headlines in recent months. Why so serious? Just look at the recent bust in Pattaya, where several bank employees landed on the wrong side of the law for allegedly opening accounts for Chinese syndicates. Those accounts? They turned into highways for money laundering, disguised under the cover of tourism. Authorities exposed a deep network of so-called mule accounts, all funneled through the financial system. So, the bank decided it's time to tighten the screws. What changes now? The bank is locking in on identity. Every new account application faces laser-sharp scrutiny, especially if anything about your background pings their financial monitoring radar. It's part of a wider crackdown, driven not just by local authorities, but by Thailand's global commitments to anti-money laundering agreements. These rules aren't simply a suggestion. They're bank policy under the watchful eye of the Bank of Thailand. Here's the big, bold headline. Tourists, including everyone riding on the Destination Thailand Visa, DTV, are now out of the running. That's right. No more popping into a branch and walking out with a new account on your next visit. Starting from January this year, those gates have officially closed. So, who can still get through? If you're holding a long-term visa, think Thailand Elite, Retirement, Long-Term Resident, LTR, or the non-immigrant B visa for work, you're still in the game. Married to a Thai national? Got property in your name here? You might still have a shot, but remember, it's up to each bank to make the final call, and what flies at one branch might get grounded at another. In the whirlwind of these new rules, there's already chatter on the ground about account freezes, especially among Russian nationals. Some customers are opening their banking apps to discover their accounts blocked out of the blue, triggering compulsory in-person ID checks, often requiring facial scans. And let's be clear, a frozen account isn't a death sentence. It just means the compliance department put you under the microscope for review. Don't panic, but don't sit back either. Affected customers are urged to contact their branch directly for a way forward. And keep your eyes peeled, because word on the street is that other banks might soon follow Bangkok Bank's lead, syncing up their systems with fresh anti-fraud protocols. Now, let's zoom out. The Bank of Thailand is cheering this move from the sidelines, and they want every financial institution in the country to get with the program. That means stronger ID verification, tougher due diligence, the whole package. And don't think you can outsmart the digital frontier. New scam-busting rules are in development right now. Soon banks will cross-check every new name with the Anti-Money Laundering Office's Mule Account database. Risk ratings for each customer? You bet. Potential transaction limits if you sign up using biometrics? Absolutely. The mission? Strangle fraud before it starts, while keeping things smooth and secure for legitimate account holders. Make no mistake, these new banking rules are a seismic shift, especially for visitors and expats who once found it easy to plug into Thailand's financial system. If you're feeling lost or confused, you're not alone, but don't let yourself get sidelined by red tape. If you're worried about your account status or don't know how to meet these new requirements, check the links in the description below to connect with experts who can guide you through the process. Don't miss out on future updates from Bangkok Buzz. Smash that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up if it helped you, and tap that notification bell so you never miss a beat in the City of Angels. Have questions or your own experience to share about these changes? Sound off in the comments below. We're building a community that thrives on the real-life pulse of Bangkok. Thanks for tuning in to Bangkok Buzz, where the city's rhythm is your rhythm. Catch you in the next update.